According to sewer here today at 2659 36th West. Date's April 30th, 2021. I'm making this recording from the newly installed cleanouts here at the southwest corner of the home. We are going to pull back from the city main, which is what you're looking at now, some almost 107 feet down the line or so from this cleanout. We're going to pull back, get a look at this line. So coming back into 6-inch diameter concrete pipe. I'm through a couple of series of turns there. We should be coming back into our liner here shortly, where it went from 4-inch to 6-inch diameter right there. And there's our liner ending. Just a little bit of water at the bottom. Somebody's running water, but coming back from that through our 4-inch diameter liner now. And we're right back to our plastic repair here, the excavation at that southwest corner of the house. That's where that liner transitions to PVC. And we're going to come up the PVC cleanout. We're going to shoot this thing upstream here while I'm here. Show the lining work that goes up to lip into the inside plumbing of the home. So we are now going upstream. We're coming around the corner there and right again into our 4-inch diameter liner. We got water running inside here. Somebody running.
Probably in the sink in the kitchen here.
Wait a second, see if it'll... I'm going to pause the video, wait for this water to calm down a second and see if we can't get a better look at this last section. Okay, there's still a little water running, but here's the cast iron pipe as it exits the house. The foundation, and it lips right into our liner as prescribed. So there you see a seamless transition from liner to cast. We come around the 90-degree turn there. And there's a gap in the liner at that ABS pipe tie-in. That's right here. It's kind of difficult to see on this upstream view. There's another video that shows this section a little better. That one we recorded, the guys recorded last time. So there you can see it a little bit right there. There's the gap for where that other drain ties in. And then we're going to come back and jump up out of the clean out here. And there is a look at both cleanouts installed here at the corner of the home. I'm going to end the video there.